The land of love, fashion, food and culture, France is a country that will never disappoint you. With its world-famous landmarks, awe-inspiring landscapes and fascinating history, France remains a top tourist destination. The largest country in Western Europe, France is known for its rich history, culture and gastronomy. From the Gothic architecture of Notre Dame to the vineyards of Bordeaux, France is a land of diversity and contrasts. This beautiful and vibrant country attracts millions of tourists every year. France is a country that offers something for everyone. From its charming countryside to its attractive cities, from its rich history to its delicious cuisine. If you are planning a trip to France, there are some places that cannot be missed at all. So let's talk today about the beautiful places to visit in France. Paris, the city of love. It is impossible to talk about France without mentioning the French capital, Paris. Known as the City of Love, Paris is a destination that cannot be missed at all. From the iconic Eiffel Tower to the romantic River Seine, from the magnificent Louvre Museum to the beautiful Montmartre, Paris is a city that will take your breath away. Paris is a place where every corner has a unique glimpse of art, culture, and history. From the height of the Eiffel Tower to the romantic walks along the banks of the River Seine, Paris is globally famous for its great cafes, museums, and architecture. You will feel a different feeling while roaming in the gardens, wide streets, and charming alleys here. French Riviera. The French Riviera, also known as the Côte d'Azur, is a famous and attractive coastal region located on the southeastern coast of France. This place is famous all over the world for its natural beauty, huge resorts, and vibrant culture. The French Riviera stretches from Toulon to the Italian border and includes many famous cities and towns, such as Nice, Cannes, Saint-Tropez, and Monaco. The climate of the French Riviera is also a big reason for its popularity. The weather here is pleasant throughout the year, making this region an ideal place for holidays. The lush green landscapes, sparkling seas, and mountain views here touch the heart of any tourist. The French Riviera is not only a tourist destination, but an experience that remains memorable for a lifetime. Provence, a charming and historic region of France, is known for its natural beauty, rich history, and unique culture. The region is located in southeastern France, and its famous cities include Avignon, Aix-en-Provence, and Marseille. Provence is world famous for its beautiful lavender fields. From June to August, these fields are covered in purple flowers and present a mesmerizing sight. Provence has many small villages and towns that are famous for their uniqueness and beauty. Villages like Gaul, Roussillon, and Le Beau de Provence offer a unique experience with cobbled streets and historic buildings. The history of Provence dates back to the ancient Roman Empire. There are many historic sites and monuments, such as the Pope's Palace in Avignon, the Roman Baths of Aix-en-Provence, and the Amphitheatre of Arles. Dordogne is a spectacular and historic region in southwestern France, famous for its natural beauty, historical sites, and cultural heritage. The region is located along the Dordogne River. The landscape of Dordogne consists of lush forests, hilly terrain, and beautiful river valleys. The serene and scenic views are ideal for nature lovers and those seeking peace. The Dordogne region is full of historical sites. The ancient cave paintings, such as the Lascaux cave paintings, are a wonderful example of the early art of human civilization. In addition, historic towns like Sarlat-la-Canéda and Bérézac are famous for their medieval architecture and culture. The region is also famous for its wine production. The wines here, especially those from the Cahors and Béarn region, are very delicious and renowned wines. A trip to Dordogne gives you a unique experience of ancient history, natural beauty, and delicious food. The region is not only worth seeing, but also an experience that touches the heart. Chamonix. Chamonix is a famous mountain resort located in the Alps of France, known for its amazing natural beauty and adventure activities. This place is an ideal place for ski lovers in winter and trekking and mountaineering enthusiasts in summer. The main attraction of Chamonix is the world-famous Mont Blanc, which is the highest peak in Western Europe. From here you get to see spectacular mountain views and glaciers. This Mont Blanc is also a major destination for mountaineering. Chamonix becomes an ideal ski resort in the winter season. Its world-class ski pistes and excellent snowboarding trails provide a dream-come-true experience for skiing and snowboarding enthusiasts. Chamonix is a great place where you get unique experiences in every season. The natural beauty, adventure activities, and cultural experiences here give you a different feeling. Bordeaux, wine country. Bordeaux, also known as wine country, is an iconic region of France known for its world-famous wines. The region is located in southwestern France and its capital is the city of Bordeaux. The region of Bordeaux is a paradise for wine lovers, where every grapevine and every winery offers a unique experience. Located amidst vineyards, Bordeaux has amazing natural beauty. The lush green valleys, narrow rivers, and undulating grape fields offer a serene and beautiful scenery. Bordeaux wine country is a place where every glass of wine tells a story. A visit here is a great experience not only for wine lovers but for everyone, giving you a chance to immerse yourself in the rich wine culture of France. Nice, the jewel of the French Riviera. Nice is a charming city, located on the French Riviera, that is famous for its picturesque coastline and stunning beaches. The city is also known for its vibrant art scene, with many museums and galleries showcasing works by some of the world's most famous artists. Nice's unique blend of natural beauty, historical significance, cultural richness, and culinary delights make it a captivating destination on the French Riviera. Strasbourg, the European city. Strasbourg, also known as the European City, is a unique and historic city located on the border of France and Germany. The city is famous for its cultural heritage, architecture, and European institutions. Strasbourg has several important museums and art galleries, such as the Strasbourg Museum of Modern and Contemporary Art and the Alsatian Museum. These museums provide a comprehensive overview of the city's art, culture, and history. Strasbourg is a city where every street, every building, and every corner is full of history and culture. The city is an important hub, not only of France, but of the whole of Europe due to its uniquely mixed architecture, cultural heritage, and international significance. A visit here gives you a great opportunity to connect with the rich diversity and history of Europe. Marseille, the vibrant port city. Marseille, a vibrant and historic port city in France, is located in the Provence region of southern France. The city is famous for its diverse culture, rich history, and beautiful coastline. Every corner of Marseille is special in its own way. Marseille Vieux Port is the heart of the city. Its hustle and bustle, fishermen's boats, and seafood restaurants create a lively atmosphere. This port area is one of the oldest and most important landmarks of the city. Marseille hosts many cultural and music festivals throughout the year. The Marseille Jazz Festival and La Fête de la Musique are very famous. Marseille is a city where every street, every building, and every beach tells a story. Its diverse culture, rich history, and lively atmosphere make it a unique and charming place. France is a beautiful and vibrant country that has something for everyone. From its charming countryside to its glamorous cities, from its rich history to its mouth-watering cuisine, France is a destination that will leave you spellbound. So, pack your bags and head to France to explore these amazing places and create memories that will last a lifetime.